Okay, today I'm going to show you how to make an absolutely delicious wild leek and walnut pesto radiatori. Let's get into it. Late start again. Had a good reason today. This whole week we had a major plumbing issue in the house, which the group of contractors just left. So the water's running again, everything's fine. Let's just leave it there. I'll leave out all the horrible details. But ready to cook. I hope you guys are prepped and ready to go. Let's do it. Okay, we got everything set up. I've got my wild leeks or ramps, a bit of parm, lemon. I actually went and bought more leeks because I got these kind of early and dropped them off. You can see they just wilted a little bit. So I want to just have some fresh ones, just to make sure I keep the green up. We're going to do our toasted walnuts. And I got the water boiling and the ice bath ready to go. And of course, we have the radiatori. Okay, let's blanch these. So this is super quick, 30 seconds. I'm gonna go right into the ice bath. Okay, so nice and cool now. Just let them drain. See how green they stay? That's right. Thanks, Anton Potvin, for all the tips. Okay, so we got the walnuts. All right. Okay, so we got the walnuts, the parm, the lemon. Here comes the ramps. Up next, olive oil. So I'm going to add another quarter cup of olive oil into that. That's the consistency we're wanting. Nice. Moment of truth here. Okay, I threw the pesto into this big deli container, so it's quite a bit of it. But look how green it is. See, this is why it's so important to blanch it in an ice bath right away. And this is delicious. Quinn approved too, he just tried it. Okay, let's show how much salt we add. That's about it. Taste your water. Make sure it tastes just like a soup that's just too salty that you would send back in a restaurant. That's the stuff. Okay, so we've got our initial little blob of the pesto. This is getting very close. As soon as it's ready, it goes over. Okay. You want it sizzling just like this as this hits al dente, which is where this is. And we're going to throw the pasta right in. You don't want to cook it like this for too long. More than 30 seconds, it's too much. Okay, so as you're throwing it in, just turn the heat up to about a medium high. I think I left that out in the recipe, but I'll go back and add it in. You want to start to reduce out the water that's going to come over from the pasta like this, right? You're going to get a lot of water as you throw it over. That's it, just bring it up high, and we're going to add more pesto in. Okay, so 2 more big globs of the pesto on top of that, we're just going to toss it. Say that again. I don't want to come over what?
I don't want to come over here in the summer. I don't enjoy you.
No, you're definitely coming over.
No, I'll hang out with Angus. I don't like you. I didn't think I'd be walking today when I put them on, and here I am walking.
And here you are.
There I am.
Nailed it. Have a great night. I'm sorry, what were you saying?
I was saying that I'm only here for Angus and the food. I don't enjoy your company.
Nobody does. People tolerate me.
True.
At varying degrees. That's it.